Hello everyone, I'm Saqib, and in this video we are going to discuss about the dictionaries in Python. This is our second video about dictionaries, so let's start this video. Okay, now let's open our Python community edition. It will take some time. Be patient. Not open it, and I will again do it. It's not. I think it's opened. Oh man, it's already opened in my here. So this is our dictionary first lecture. So now let's do more things about the dictionary, like what we can do apart from storing the data of a particular student. So now we can do so many things in dictionaries. So let's start with some real example. Like for example, we have a name. For example, I will give you a particular thing. Here we have numbers, and I will give equals to, and after that I will say one. If I give 1, it will give me the definition of 1 is 1, and the number, if I give 2, and it will give me the definition of number 2. If I give 3, and it will give me the definition of number 3. Same for 4, 5, 6, 4, and 5. Okay, and I will say 5 and 5. Okay, now 6. 7, 7, and 8, 9. Okay, 9, and the last one is 0. Okay, here is the 0. So now what we can do, we can first ask the user for a particular set of numbers. Like we will ask the user, give us a number, and we will give you what is the value. Give us the key name, like key name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will give you the like full number in words. So, okay, if the user gives 4, we'll give it FOUR. So now let's take the value from the user. As you don't know about how you can take the value from the user, all the time you wrote like for a particular, you will give the value at the compile time, but at this time we will take the value from the user. For taking the value from the user, in the previous like programming language we use the scanf function. In the C# we use console.readline. So here we are going to use the input function. So we'll say get number. Get number is a variable, and as you know, in Python we don't need to declare any type of data type before this variable. We don't need to declare int, we don't need to declare some string. Automatically it gets like it will automatically understand what type of variable you're assigning to it. If you assigned it in inverted commas, it will take it as a string. If you assigned it directly, it will take it as the integer. If you assigned it like this, like true, it will take it as a boolean value. So at this time we are going to take the value from the outside, or we can say that like give the value here like 1. We are giving the value is to get number equal to 1, and after that what we will do, we will say like print, like here we say print, and what we have to print, we have to print the value, the key name which we have give, like get number is the key name. Sorry, we will give like this because we have the dictionary in the string format. So we'll give get number equal to 1 is the string we have stored in the get number, and after that what we will do, we will say numbers of get number. So we expected the output of 1 as the value. We will give the key name is the key name. We will say that in the numbers, what is the key name? That's the get number. So find the value at a particular key name, like it's so ONE1. So that's it. Like, okay, go here and just run the dictionary. Oh, here you will expect the result 1, and here it is. You got ONE1. So now can you take the value from the user? Like we are going to ask the user, okay, enter the number. Okay, we can say that like this. We can say user enter the phone number, or we can say user enter one number, we will give the value. So first of all, let's get the one number from the user. So let's rub it, and what we have to do, we have to just write the input command. We have to say the input, enter the number. Okay, that's it. We got the number from the user, now semicolon. So as for our previous language, so here we'll take the value from the user, print numbers of get number, and now the user will give the number here. So we'll just, okay, enter the number. We'll say it's 2. So 2 get printed out. Now there's a problem. The problem is if we give some big number like 2345, like, or my phone number, I will give some 9622427. Okay, it's my phone number. I'll give it, and it shows some error. It shows that this is not found. There's a key error. There is no key like 962242726. There's a big number, so no key for this. So can you make it like we want the answer like that? Like for 9 it will give me NINE, for 6 it will give me SIX, or for other numbers like the same thing. So how we can do this? So let's do this. We'll get the number, and we have already our number. It's in the form of string, and we'll just do this. Like we will iterate the loop for the get number. As we know that everything which we take as a string in the get number, it will be, we can take it one by one. Like we can divide the string into a certain number of words. For example, if we get the value of 962242764, if we iterate the loop for a particular 962 or the particular string, we can get the numbers like 962242764 in a separate manner. Like I will show you for number in get numbers. Like I will say for number in get number. Okay, that's it. For like any number which is in the get number, get me one by one. At this time in the number there's a value of like 9. If I give a big value, so first it will get the value, fetch the value of 9, and the next time it will get again 6. After that it will get 2, it will get 2 and 2. So here I will write that. Here I need to write the print, and I will write some code like this, numbers of, and I will say number. Okay, that number which I have already written here. So now let's print it and hope it will write correctly. It will run correctly. I will say 9906453656. Okay, that's the number, and it will give me the answer 9906453656. Yeah, you did it correctly. But can you do this? Can you make this answer like in one variable? Like here, if it is the get number is the 906, first it will get 9 and print the 9. After that we will say 9 again, or 6 again. You have to put 6, like 9 value. After the 0, it will print the 0. After the 6, it will print one by one. I just want that whole number in one line. So how can I do this? Look, we have to do this in this format. First of all, we have to make the variable here. Like we want to store the whole string in variable. We say output equal to, also like that, nothing. And because it's a global variable, we have declared it globally so that we can use it outside this loop. Okay, now here's the loop, and we are iterating the loop one by one. So here we will say that here we write output plus equal to, like append the output value. Like for example, if we get 9, append the put the 9 inside the output. After that, put another 9 inside the output. Without replacing the previous values. As you know that variable replaces the value, whatever comes next, it will replace the previous value. But here we are going to append it. We are not going to replace the previous values. So here we will say output plus equals to. So now here we can do one more thing. Here we can say that our dictionary is numbers, so you can say numbers. Okay, numbers dot get, it's a function, get is a function. Like we have to get the numbers dot get number. I want a particular number. So if the number, sometimes if the number doesn't found anywhere, like if I put some y, I will put 9906 y, like that thing, so it will again show error. Like I will show you. So I will say get the number, and after that I will put this in the output. So after that, print numbers of numbers. So here I will say run it again one more time, or here I don't need to print the whole thing. I just need to print only one thing, that is the output here. So now output, and that's it. Okay, now again I will run this program, and I will see 9906, and you can see that 9906 without the, like I just want a little bit of space. So here I can add the space in the variable, like say plus and the space. So again run it, and here is the number 9906 and 9906. So you can do this in a very great manner. Like one more thing I just want to do there, like if I run this program again, and I will try to make some incorrect value like 9906 and YT. So it will show error, like it shows that unsupported operand type of non-type string. Like what is this? We can expect, like it shows that something getting wrong, like you are just getting YT which doesn't contain inside this dictionary. So what is that? So now what we will do, we will fix this error with the help of here. Look, this get function does two things. First, it will return the true value, it's the true, and after that, after the comma we have to put the false value, like when the dictionary doesn't find a number, what have to do after that. So I can say here, I can say question mark. Okay, if I do the question mark here, so here you will get it, like we'll see 9906 and YTTY, and like you will see that 9906 and question mark, like I don't know what the value is, so put the question mark there. So if you want to put like that, whatever you put the input, you will get the like the same value displays there. Like for that thing we have to write the number itself. So here, and I'll just write the number 906 YT. So here 906 YT. So that's our second topic about the dictionaries. Hope we'll come with more topics about dictionaries. Maybe we come with the next section, the dictionary third, so that you will get betterly understand what the actual dictionary is. Most important concept, you're going to use it in the web development section. Okay, hope you understand this video. If you like my content, subscribe my channel and push the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post new videos. Okay, thanks a lot.